Well, we still got a laundry list of stuff to get done on the Belvedere. And my son and I took the car out for a drive around the block yesterday. And I had it sitting here in the driveway overnight. And let me just show you. Walk out this morning to see this freaking oil leak. So unfortunately, we got to pull everything off the front of the motor. Fan's got to come off, pulleys, alternator, and water pump. So this is how I pull these harmonic balancers off. There is somewhat of a trick to it. We're going to pull the main bolt off. And we're going to take this washer and remove it. The bolt head will actually fit through the harmonic. And we're going to use this to push against on the puller. Look at this right here. So both sides, see how it's dimpled up? So basically, if the dowel pin is hitting right there, then that means the whole timing chain was up high. You can see right here too. I have a feeling it was like this before I put it on. I just didn't pay attention. You could see here into the gasket. This side might have been okay, even though it's dimpled. Hey, timing chain cover. And it looks to be in very good condition. So I'm thinking this should be square. Not exactly square. That's better. I think that's pretty close. Alright, gonna put a front crank seal in here.
About it, some say it's wrong to spend all your time on one moment of joy. 'Cause when you're beside me, I know we make it past the storm. Now isn't the fight it? We just have to wait until it's gone. Gone. You ask me why I'm so sure, and I don't know why. Just want all the things I don't worry about. 'Cause nothing's like when you are still around.
There's our bolt. That's for a big block. That's for a small block. See how much longer the small block one is? You got to get yourself one of these. And put your harmonic on there. And the reason you need a small block one is see, once you put the washer on here, you can't reach the thread. It's not threading in because it's not long enough. But the small block one is. So we'll get the small block one in here.
I know we make it past the storm.
All right, small block one's bottomed out now. So it's not gonna pull the harmonic on anymore. But it pulled the harmonic on just enough. Anyway, you get 3 crank washers on here with a small block bolt because the small block one is gonna bottom out like you just saw. And then it's still not on far enough for the big block one to take over. By putting these extra washers in here, we got that much more thread to pull the balancer on. Now we can get the big block one on. And that one's not going to bottom out. My horrible paint job. No, so much for that paint being white. But there's still a mark on there. You can see where it goes. I'm going to bring it up to the tiny one.